ask you a question about when you get your truck and
So my question is, now I get the truck, it's here, the trailer is here. How soon can the truck start running?
you like can immediately, once you've got your truck and your trailer, it's roadworthy, when you've got the registration papers and things like that. Very important, you need to have a truck pack obviously to go through the induction. As soon as you've got that, and I need to make it very clear now, the contracts will be given once you've been qualified, or when you have a truck, you will get the contracts immediately from the direct holders, the contract holders. Okay, you immediately, and you can start like immediately today. To ask your question, if you've got your truck and your trailer today, whether it's on the rental for the trailer and also the truck that's on in-house finance, whether it's a cash deal or like a 6 months cash deal, things like that. Once you've got it, you've got the paperwork, everything in place. I need a truck pack, and the truck pack, I've already explained what is a truck pack. That is for induction, and then induction is because they need to register you on the route. Immediately you can start like immediately. And Nico said it on the audio, the contract holder, you can start if you've got a truck now and you've got the paperwork, you can start even today with the contract to work on it. So answer your question. Okay. All right, great stuff.